So yo, what's up YouTube, thanks for watching UB. So it's me UB and I am back with another interesting video. So in this video we are going to talk about 100 IQ Among Us tips and tricks. So yeah, these are some of the tips and tricks of Among Us game. So y'all must have know this game. This game has been so popular in social media and everywhere, and y'all must have playing this game as well. So today I'm going to talk about tips and tricks, and if you use this all tips and tricks, y'all will definitely win every match. So without wasting more time, let's get into the video. And also I want to say you all that if you haven't watched my previous video about PS5, then go and watch after this video. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So here we go. So in the fifth number I want to share is that whenever you are playing in a game and you are a crewmate and want to do any of the tasks, and when you enter in a room where there is only single person, and unfortunately that person will be an imposter, and while doing the task he will kill you. So you have to always remember, whenever you are in a room there must be 2 or 3 players, or there must be no players at all, and if there is a single player, it's a biggest chance to be an imposter and you may be directly killed by him. So always remember, whenever you are doing a task, stay with at least 2 to 3 members as well. So the next trick is so important and so amazing, it's like in the next level, yes. So this trick is, whenever you are an imposter and you are not aware whether any crewmate is watching on CCTV, so you can easily know by looking at the CCTV itself. So as you can see, the CCTV is blinking in a red light. That means one of the crew member is watching the CCTV and he is in a security room. So it must be very risky for y'all to kill any of them. So as y'all can see, the CCTV is blinking in a red light, and when he goes away from it, it stops blinking. So whenever it stops, it is an easy way to kill them and surprise the person who is in security cabinet. And yes, this is usually used in Among Us. Most of them may not know, but this is most used trick by the imposter. The next trick is to make your game much more fun and confusing. So before you start a game, you just inform your friends to keep their name in any of the color, like the brown color imposter or crewmate name is yellow, and somehow like this. So watch what happens when when you change the name to a color name. So as I was in a room and doing my task, and I completed task, and later there was another person with me in same room. So I just went forward and I noticed he vented, and later I just confirmed inside, and there he was not there. So later I just came back and called for an emergency meeting, and then I just said that yellow is the imposter, and look what happened. As I have said y'all, that brown color crewmate had kept the name as yellow, so everybody thought that brown color is an imposter, and everyone voted him and he was gone, but the real imposter was safe. This always helps the imposter and makes your game much more fun. Try this at least once. As you all know, imposter always tries to do a fake task and pretend to be an imposter. So as you all know, if any of the person or crewmate is near this and trying to do this task, just have a look on the gun which is placed outside the spaceship. So as you all can see, when you are doing the task, it fires the gun. So this is clear sign whenever a fake person is trying to do a task, just have a note on the gun. If it does not fire, then it is very clear that he is just trying to do a fake task. Then you can go and call for emergency meeting and just say he was just pretending to be doing a task, and later he will be quoted by everyone, and yeah, he is out and y'all are the winner. And the most annoying thing in this game is doing this task, like swiping the card. Whenever or whichever time you just try to do this task, it never gets succeeded in one attempt. You get so much angry in it and so aggressive, and you can't do it. So there is a best trick and easiest trick. Just take your card to the center and swipe it rapidly. It always works whenever and whichever place you are. It always works. And the next trick comes for imposter. If you are imposter and find any other person who is alone in a corner like a navigation or in the shield place, just sabotage in completely opposite side, so that all the crew members will suddenly go and they won't have any chances, or they won't try to come in your place, because there are two advantages for you. Because if the crewmate tries to come near you, he will lose the time, and later it is clear that you will definitely win, because there are certain time given for clearing the task if you sabotage. And if he does not do this thing and he just try to come near you, the time will get over, and yes, clearly you will be the winner. So you can try this whenever you are an imposter. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all must have liked it. Yes, this is not a long video because I have been making multiple videos, and yeah, just tried for making something new, because this is on a trending topic and you all will definitely like it, because these tricks are really awesome and I always use these tricks whenever I am in a game. So if you all want much more tricks or tips of Among Us, comment down below and like as well, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, let's go.